Guys, papunta kami ng Tacloban sa Robinson. Gusto niya mag-bus. Ayan siya, sasakay. He's waiting for the bus. Ayan, dito kami sa tapat ng bahay namin. Punta kami ng Tacloban. Let's see kung makakasakay ito. Andun ang aking bahay. Oh, na si Kalay. Kalay is there. Hi, Kalay. Hi, Kalay. Huh? Chicken? Oh, there's chicken daw, sabi ni Kalay. Yeah, we will take the bus. We're going to take the bus. So, ayan, para ma-experience ni daddy mo. There's a papaya. Papaya. Wait! Kelly! Say bye! See you later! Don't use too much cell phone, okay?
But Daddy said no cell phone.
Okay.
So we can?
Alright. Okay, bye. And Daddy's here, waiting for the bus. He is waiting for the bus. Ayan o, sasakay kami ng bus. Kuya, we're going! Oh my God! He's in the bus now. Nakakorte na talaga?
Oo, para mga hindi mapasok.
Ah. How is it? Ayan guys, so tuwang-tuwang lolo. Ayan na, laki-laki ng Maganda dito papuntang space pa. Tacloban. Napakalamig sobra. Tapos, nagamit ko Tacloban yan. Lamig-lamig ng aircon.
Bababa
Kami ng Robinson at ibababa ka talaga sa lapag ng sa lapag na sa tapat mo ng Robinson.